Katikilo of Buganda, Obeshitiwa, with all due respect, Peter Mayega, sintu wali wakuwandi Muganda. Naye if at all what Kyagulanyi did is what you term as a disgrace to your kingdom, then you are the most tribalic leader I have ever seen and that Uganda has ever had. I never wanted to bring my attention to this, but when I saw this letter, and if at all it came from you, I don't even know who gave you that position. Indeed, and I'm speaking with authority given to me by the people I represent. I belong to the people and I represent the people. If he is to preach the gospel of change and he has to preach the message of reconciliation, must it be within Buganda Kingdom? You guys have been telling him to unite with the Mpuga, to unite with the so and so. He is not supposed to divide the people. If you mean people, in Uganda, how many tribes do we have? Era what Kyagulanyi did, it has added credit into Kyagulanyi. Not you, not to any Muganda. Era wezi wanti mumukoye, you are tired of him. Please, you can delete him out of your tribe and kingdom. We have a lot of land this side of Enguru. If we are to speak the truth, okay, you are going in a tribal way. Can we go religious way? Who burnt the matters? Katikilo, who burnt the matters? Nzo wakatulishi, I'm the one asking. When slave trade was in this country that they were selling Ugandans, tying people in chain, who was a leader by then? Who was selling people? Was it Obote? Was it Museveni? Was it Amini? Was it Benedicto Chiwanuka? Katikilo, let the sleeping dog lie. Let the sleeping dog lie, I repeat. And I wonder, you who are supposed even to stand to utilize the space that you're occupying to advocate for the rights of Baganda, you are dividing people. I've been watching you people there in Buganda. Whatever thing you're doing, you are being used as a tool of oppression. You even the leaders. Let me ask you, bringing back your kingship, and they make it silence. They make it silent. It does not count anywhere. They take away your land. They abduct your children. Maybe not, let me not say maybe your children. And they abduct the children of Buganda. And they kill the children of Buganda. With someone who removed the kingship and left your land, left your children to be free, left your kabaka to be free, who has done worse? Magezi matono nyo. And Katikilo, when did you even start having price tag on you? So you want people to start giving you credit basing on what? That a leader who's promoting division cut. And the difference that our forefathers had, if we still put it before us, then we don't have a journey. If at all you are the one who documented this letter, I'm so disappointed. So disappointed. I don't know whether some of you offered the chemistry. So how has it disgraced your kingdom? Can someone explain it to me? Be it in the comment section. Okay, mwaba NRM who are being paid to promote this diversion. How has it disgraced your kingdom? Has it changed the Ngalabi which is at Megundi? If you people don't open your eyes If you don't open your eyes. And who has told you people, the leaders of Buganda, that advocating for the rights of your people, you must be in opposition only? Your Kabaka is in captivity to the extent of, even if he falls sick, you must first, again, seek permission from the ruling government. And they even have the audacity to say no. And you talk of what? The soldiers who attacked the Paris, wasn't Museveni the commander? Mwagalo watu fetukoyo kubasomesa, by the way. Choka mweyitawa elites. Buganda, oh Buganda, yeah, oh Buganda. You mean this country is having only one tribe? Yeah? Are you aware that this country, to some extent, even your tribe does not count? Are you aware? Bob Wine stood up to fight for us, the suffering Ugandans. If you know you are okay, Katikilo, eat your bread and you keep quiet. For him standing and start fighting for the people of Awengulu is far much different from you, who's a Katikilo. What have you said that is affecting the Karamojas? Have you ever put your concern on what is happening in Tororo, Mbale, Malaba, Kotido, Yumbe, Pader, Karamoja, Nebi, Aleptong, Buteleja, Busia, Manafambare? Have you ever? If your own children, Bayingira Mubisiaga, attend a mobile eat and move water kungaro, you call yourself a leader. Be compromised, Siganye, but chill, keep it quiet, because people have a lot of things that is paining them. Busimani temuba yu bakabaka fechitiba, temuba simanya wa kingdom chitiba. Remove Bob Wine from your kingdom. We have ready to welcome him. I can even give him my name. Let him live for Simani Kyagulanyi Sentamu. Let him take my name. And all you and you document such a statement. If at all it came from you. Look at these people. And if we decided to strike, can you people even strike him? Can you people strike? Mwabagala nyo sente nyo mwe. Can you people even strike? Muve kuCyagulanyi. Put your kingdom aside. Put your kingdom away from Kyagulanyi. There's nothing that your kingdom does to we the people of Awengulu. There's nothing. There's no any way that it helps us. Kyagulanyi okuvayo. Nagambo, there's no hospital anywhere. They can bring hospital, you never know. Netu yamba. But I don't know, when did you people become too useless and cheap to this extent? Wakati wani ya kuwagambo wandika yo barua. You people, if we try to bring tribalism, temutu sobora no. This one could take a tribalism, nemusigaranga mukoma o musike. Mwagala tunyiza mwate ulira tono. Remove your kingdom from Kyagulanyi. Remove it. If you like, eat your kingdom. Uganda, do we put Buganda as a kingdom in a plate to eat? Do you people put Buganda as a kingdom in a plate to eat? If people are sick, do you bring Buganda as a kingdom to give to treat them? Temu tuletera munyo ateka, temu chisusa namwe. Kyagulanyi mumuveko. Mulye sente zamwe musirike. Is helping some of us who are not even in Baganda. But disgrace your kingdom.